BTS permission to dance on stage, online concert, online streaming of the concert is going to be held up on October 24th, that is the coming Sunday at 6:30 p.m. KST. So if you have plans to purchase this tickets, then continue watching this video as I'll be explaining about the key things that you need to remember while making the purchase. And also I'll be explaining about how to validate your tickets in the website. So let's begin. If you find this topic useful, please do give a like and also subscribe to my channel for further updates and share the video with your friends who are planning to make the purchase. So first we'll need to go into Weverse shop and go into the live tab, under which you'll be able to see the different options available. So we have 5 packages this time, and 4 of them can be purchased only with Army Global membership. And the last package, which is under the all customers category, which can be purchased with just an Weverse and Weverse shop account. You don't need to have an official Army membership. So we'll first move on to the first package and explore the various things that are coming along with this package. So the cost of the first package is $69.30, which is in the USD, and you get, so the benefits that you get out of it are 4K single view, HD multi-view and sound check. So the main cam will be displayed in 4K, and you get multi-view options in the HD, where you have the same main cam that is available in the 4K will be shown in this bigger part here, and the rest of the 5 cameras will be facing other different angles. And you also get a sound check along with this, which will be in 4K. So these are the 3 things that you get out of the first package. The second package cost is around $55.30. So this package is similar to the first package, except for the sound check. You don't get the sound check in this one. Other than that, the other 2 things are going to be the same. So the third package is you get an HD multi-view and sound check. So this costs you about $60. So this HD multi-view is nothing but what you get in the first and second package. That is what you will be getting here, and you don't get any single view here. It will be like the main cam will be in this displayed in the bigger part, and you get multi-views here, and you also get a sound check, which is going to be conducted before the main performance. So both package cost is $46.10. You get an HD multi-view here, so you don't get a sound check with this package. So these are the 4 packages that are exclusively available to people who have membership, and the 5th package can be bought by anyone with Weverse account. So this one is so this 5th package provides you with an HD single view. So the single view resolution will be 720 pixels. So 720 pixels is not a bad deal for a live performance, as most of the live streaming will be telecasted at 720 pixels only. And the cost of the 5th package is also the same as the 4th one, which is $46.10. So these are the 5 packages that are available, and all of them have the same rules and regulations. So we'll be looking into some of the key instructions and the points that you need to remember while making the purchase. That is, you can purchase any one package out of this 5 packages, and like obviously if you have an Army membership, you'll be purchasing it from the first 4 packages, anyone from the first 4 packages. And if you don't have a membership, you can straightly go for the 5th package. So this is one thing that you need to remember. And the second point is regarding the cancellation and refund of your tickets. So in case if you want to cancel your Wish, or you have any other plans and want to cancel the ticket, then you have to cancel it 1 hour before the start of the concert. Otherwise you will not be getting any refund even if you don't watch the concert. So keep that in mind. So the next point is regarding the logging of the accounts. So usually we used to log in with the same account in Weverse shop as well as in Weverse, but this time we won't be streaming it in Weverse. So we'll have to, so the other website that we'll be using here is vnewlive.com. so we'll be streaming it in this website. I'll provide the link of this in the description. So we need to log in to this website using the same email ID that you are using in your Weavers shop where you make the purchase. So obviously you have to use you'd already be using an same email ID for your Weavers shop as well as your Weavers account, so that they get reflected correctly. So the same procedure has to be followed here as well. So you need to use the same email ID that you use on your Weavers shop to log into this website where the streaming will take place. And we have another important happy news for armies, which is you can log in up to 2 devices using the same account. So it's basically like you can share your ticket with one of your friends. So this basically means you can share your ticket with another friend, so that you can reduce the price of the ticket to half. You can share up to only 2 devices during the concert performance. So this is one thing that you need to know, and this is like one of the happy news. If you try to log into the third device, then the first device will be logged off automatically. So this is like an automatic process. So you can log in up to only 2 devices at the same time during the performance, during the streaming of the performance. So next we'll move on to the ticket sales. So they have given the timings here. So the main performance will start on October 24th 6:30 p.m. KST, and the sound check will start from October 24th 3 p.m. KST. So beware of the timings. So if you are a fan from India, performance will start at 3 p.m. Indian time. The sound check will start at 11:30 a.m. and since this is going to be an internet streaming event, they are saying that there could be any technical difficulties and the starting and ending time might differ because of the technical difficulty. So next is regarding the ticket details. So as you can see here, the first two, the dark orange colored ones, are the 4K packages where you have only limited quantity because of the technical difficulties which can occur with the streaming of 4K. They are limiting the quantity of the seats, and the other 2 packages in light orange are available for anyone with the membership. That is a HD package, and streaming of HD won't be much of an difficult issue. And the fifth one is given in the white color, which is also an HD single view package, which is the all customers package. So next we'll move on to the ticket sales dates. So already the ticket sales have been started since October 1st, and if you are purchasing a package with soundcheck, your ticket purchase ends on October 24th to 2:59 p.m. That is, you can make your purchase up to last minute, before 1 minute before your beginning of the actual performance. And if you are going to buy a package without soundcheck, the timing can go up to 7:29 p.m. So you can purchase even after the concert has started. So you have time up to 1 hour even after the concert has started. So next is regarding the online live streaming ticket purchase reward. So this is nothing but a delayed single view streaming. So this will be conducted on October 31st 10 a.m. KST. So in this delayed streaming, you have key things to note, which is you get only HD quality of the delayed streaming of the main performance, and you don't get any multi-angles. And even if you have bought 4K tickets, you don't get 4K quality during the delayed streaming, and also you don't get sound check during the delayed streaming. You can only watch the single view. That is, the thing that is available to all customers will only be seen in this delayed streaming. So next they have given few points regarding how to validate your ticket. So I'll be doing it in the website itself. So if you can find this post from BTS official Twitter page, and they have given the link here. So if you go to this page, you can see it'll be redirected to the vnewlive.com and the BTS performance page. And from here you can change the language from Korean to English. Then you can find the option of login here. So just click on the login here, and you can so click on the login. So you could see a warning here showing that you need to use the same email ID as you use in your Weavers shop. So you can log in from that. So I have logged in using my Gmail account. So I've logged in now, so it is all set. So how to validate is, go to this, you need to validate separately the sound check as well as the main performance. So go to this validate button here, click on that, and you will be shown this prompt where it will be redirected. So most of us would have made the purchase under global category, so click on the global category, and you'll if you have made the purchase, your ticket will be directly validated, and you see this. So now I have not yet made the purchase, so it's showing like we don't find the tickets. So once you have made the purchase, the ticket will be available here, so you can click that, and you have to do the same for the main performance as well. Validate your tickets under the global shop. Your ticket will be linked in, and you get this screen when your ticket is validated. So this validate ticket will be changed into enter. Then enter button will be activated 30 minutes before the sound check, and for the main performance will be activated 60 minutes before the main performance. So you can log in and enter the session. So they have given you how to check if your device is 4K capable. You can find this link, vnewlive.com/test4k, and check whether your device, whether your PC or your mobile device or whatever it is, you can check whether they are 4K compatible. And next is, they have given some of the system requirements. So if you are planning to purchase a 4K ticket, you need to definitely have a smart TV with 4K or UHD display, or if you are planning to watch it using a PC, then you have to then you need to have an high-speed monitor with a high-speed HDMI cable connection, because technically 4K requires a lot of data, and the speed is very important. And they have specified other phones that support 4K and UHD, and the graphic card specifications. The PC OS support mobile OS browser, so you can check this, and can feel free to stop this screen and check the specifications. And one key thing that you need to know is the speed, internet speed. We need to have at least a minimum of 30 Mbps internet connection in order to stream stream in 4K, and for the HD you need the same OS specifications and browser specifications. Speed specification is you require a minimum of 20 Mbps internet connection. So these are the things that you need to know regarding the system requirements. And the video quality that will be available is 4K for people who have 4K tickets. They'll be having 4K quality, and you can actually toggle between the screens, like 4K and HD multiview. You can toggle between both the screens during the main performance, and you find the other resolutions available. How to check your internet speed is, you just go to Google or any other browser and just type speed test, and you get the first option here, run speed test, and you'll be able to see it will be self-diagnosing, and will show you the internet speed that you have, and that's how you do the speed check. So if you are a fan from India, and what package you should buy, then if you don't have the membership, then it's not very big deal to get the membership. Like if you can afford, and if you want to watch it in 4K, then you can go for 4K. If not, then please don't go for 4K if you don't have the required necessaries. In the HD multiview is not a better option. Just for the soundcheck, you don't have to get the even if you get the HD multiview, it's not really worth. I don't find that really worth, because at least they should give an HD main cam separately. They are just going to be HD multicam, which is like you don't really get a proper good view with HD, and like it will be very small. So I personally feel that it affects the viewing experience. So don't go for the third and the fourth packages. So I recommend you to not go for the third and fourth package. So if you have 4K capability and internet connection and all this stuff, you may go for the soundcheck version of it. And if at all, then if you don't have any membership, then just go for it without any thinking. Just go for the fifth package. As you can share it with one other friend, the cost is going to cut down to about $23, which is quite a good deal for online streaming. And then you don't have to go for go checking other links, or you don't have to panic mode when this is going to be disconnected. You don't have any panic mode on it. Just make sure that you have the internet connection is stable, and like anything can happen anytime, because this is an online streaming, and if there's any problem at all, and there's any interruption in the internet, then again there could be some problems. We hope for the best, and we hope that you don't get any interruptions. Buy the official tickets and watch it as this like the performances, BTS online performance after 2 years. Like they have conducted it last year, an online streaming performance, but this is going to be a little bit more massive, I believe. And also coming November we'll be having Professional Dance on Stage live performance at LA, and I think there will be another live stream as well for that event. So maybe if you want to experience that live streaming, then you can wait for some time, and you can skip this and you can wait for that moments, and you can watch that. I personally feel like a really more enjoyable personal difference. So I hope you like this video. So catch you all in another interesting video. Until then, bye.